So I'm up here at Iron Pony today, picking up something. Well, I picked it up yesterday, but I figured I would show you. And I'm definitely excited about it. It's fast as fuck too. So we'll see how it goes. But take a look at this. It's not brand new, but it's new to me. I already got it stage 1 tuned. I got a bunch of performance parts coming, and we'll see how it goes. But I just flashed the boot mode stage 1 tune with the multi-flash map pack on it, and it's fast. Big old calipers. I've never had one that big before on a car. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know if the video can pick it up. It might. Oh well. Nobody's coming. Let's go see how she gets up. Oh my god. It just wants to come out from underneath me, even with traction on. That fucker got out. That was only half fucking throttle too. Holy shit. It's starting to rain. I need to stop playing, and that's what traction control on. It scares me. Wow. I don't know if you can see that. That's going way up on that one. 560 horsepower up to 800 pound-feet of torque. That's a little nuts for boot mode. Battery's about to die. I'm done playing for the day. That was a little nuts. Yeah, so this is day 2 of owning the Supra, and stock, it was fast. I mean, it's one of the fastest cars I've been in, and I've been in some fast cars, but with the stage 1 already, it's stupid. I don't understand it. I'm gonna have to get used to this, but I really like it. And then I will have stage 2 up in about a week or 2, because I have a downpipe, intake, all this stuff coming in. So I'll be installing that. I'll take some videos and we'll see how it goes. But all right, I'm out.